Today I will show you how you can create the Azure Databricks account and get started with it. I have Pay as Go account on the Azure, and here I will search for the Databricks. So you can see I have already searched earlier, so it is coming into the recent services. So after searching Databricks, you will be able to see the Azure Databricks here. Click this and create a new Azure Databricks service. Click here, or you can click on the create button. Resource name, so I am creating a new resource called testing Databricks. So this is the name of my workspace, testing Databricks. WS means workspace, and I'll go for trial 14 days. Pricing tier. So I am selecting trial premium 14 days, free reviews, and I will click next. I will leave this as it is. Click next, and you can use the manage disks, manage disk services. So I will leave this as it is. Click next and review and create. So it is validating the settings and it will create the account. So click on the create. You can see initializing deployment, submitting the deployment template for resource group testing Databricks. So deployment is in progress. So Azure Databricks is deployed successfully, and we can see here the deployment details. And we will go to the resource by clicking on go to resource, and this should open the Databricks workspace. So launch workspace is for launching the Databricks workspace. Now it is automatically signing in. So we have free trial for 14 days of Azure Databricks. Now we have the option to import the data, create the notebook, run the SQL query, and also run the AutoML. So click on the workspace and you will find the workspace here. So in the workspaces you will be able to create the Databricks notebooks and run it on the Azure Databricks environment. We have data catalog here. So this is the catalog, Hive meta store. We have samples, simple system, and then testing Databricks. So here we don't have any data. Now I will show you how you can create the simple compute cluster and run a notebook. So you can see I don't have any compute cluster here. So all purpose compute, job compute, SQL warehouses, vector search, pool and policies. So all these options are here under the compute. I will create a new personal compute. We have a personal compute, power compute, shared compute and legacy compute. So I will be creating the personal compute, and runtime I will be choosing this one, and it will cost less for me. The minimum is 14 GB with 4 cores, and it has got one driver, and runtime is one CPU with the Scala 2.12, and terminate after minute of activity. I can say just terminate after 10 minutes of inactivity, so that I can save the compute price. Click on the compute, create compute, and it is now creating. See, this is creating here. Personal compute is being created. Meanwhile it is being created, I will go to the workspace. In the workspace, under users, Deepak architect@gmail.com, I will create a notebook, create a notebook, and I will name it as hello, and I will write a code like 2 plus 5 and then execute. Now it is asking to attach a compute, so I will attach the compute. So you can see this compute is being started. So you can see it is equal to 7. So this way you can create the Azure Databricks account, and after that create a runtime here, and finally create a compute here, and finally run your code, your notebook code onto the compute. So I can terminate this, and then I can also start this compute environment. So thanks for watching the video, and subscribe our channel.